And unfortunately, this thing, the one we just turbo swapped, this KA, well, it didn't live really long. We had a race yesterday, Skyline versus this, and I think it popped cylinder 1. It's under 100 psi. But we did a comp test right before turboing this, and it was like 120, so we were hoping it would last a little bit longer, but did not want to live. Oh man, I need 2 people for this. Never mind. Doesn't this have a K? Oh, it's torn apart too. Nice. Oh, here's a good example of a convertible S14. Fuck. Yeah, so we need to swap our KA into this or build one. And then we'll have a re-race again and see who wins, I guess. Well, I'm gonna try to fix the timing on this. You guys see how it's the belt is almost back, sitting on the back side or closer to the back instead of riding where it's supposed to be in the middle. Gotta fix that because I did on this engine, and this one is fucking perfect. So might have to grab a couple parts off this to test it, make sure it works on this. But this engine is pretty much ready, fully assembled. That said, Neo all-wheel drive. Took the exhaust side apart to check, make sure I don't have any dented shims, and that seemed to fix the issue now. Seems like they're pretty happy. None of them are cracked like the other ones, so we can reassemble it, check the lash, and it'll be good to go. And then I flattened this. This was a little bit fucking dicked up. Maybe that's what was causing it to walk backwards. Who knows? I'll check. We'll let you know. I'm actually turning out good. Well, Devin is doing her PG prep. Sherry has tires. I'm still waiting on mine. We fixed all of her intercooler piping and hose clamps. I didn't have a 2 3/4 or whatever the size is, so I had to put worm clamps. I don't like using worm clamps, but this is what we'll have to do for now. So, you almost ready?
Yeah, I need some more.
You want to have zip ties? How do we not have zip ties?
Not a real tripper, I guess.
Oh, found one. I found one. Don't touch mine. The mine. Yeah, so I'll be doing my car, probably loading it up on Thursday. But with her car being stock, it's so much simpler. She only needs 4 tires. I need like 10 or 12. Yikes. Better pick this up. Couple more poles here. I want to make sure the boost is not dropping off.
Did you get skewered? Did Oli get skewered?
Yeah, I got one. I mean, surprisingly, this thing is pretty fucking quick. This turbo. This is a new turbo. I'll put it in there.
No.
But Devin will let me. Maybe that all-wheel drive block that I have will be a spare, but I really want to see how far that RB20 can go. That's just a NA.
I don't want to see.
Well, we'll have a spare block.
Oli.
Not now, but eventually, like in a couple months. Definitely by the end of August.
No.
Yes.